and welcome to how to create groups and discussion topics within groups on Google Classroom. I wanted to walk through a few of different options on how to create groups first, and then kind of build in how to create discussion topics on top of that. So what you need to do is, one of the ways that I've found to make it easiest is if you go to classwork, and in order to create discussion topics within groups, you have to create a question. So let's say we're creating a question and it's going to be labeled group 1, and then I want to label it with the question. So let's say group 1, how was your day? And they have to respond. So I'm going to label the question with group 1, how was your day? I'm going to make sure it's on short answer. And then over here is the important part on how to split it up with groups. Instead of clicking all students here, I'm going to deselect it, and then you want to select the students for just group 1. So you're just adding in the certain students that you want to be in this group. So as you can see here, it's changed from all students to 1 student because that's my, my second demo student that I have. And a category, I can add it to a category if I would like to, and then assign a point value. I'm just going to make mine ungraded with no due date and no topic. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select both that students can reply to each other and students can edit answer, because with this being a discussion prompt, you want to make sure that they can reply to one another within this discussion. And then you're going to go ahead up here and hit ask. Great. So it was posted, and then I can actually go and see it to make sure that it was assigned correctly. And then I'm actually going to go and hit reuse post. So I can reuse and find, as you see here, I see group 1, how was your day? I wonder if this, yep. Okay. And then just change out the group number so that I don't have to, if I had, a lot of instructions on here, or if I was using the same one or same discussion prompts, but different times. For example, if we did one major discussion a week, I could just go in and change it. Once again, I'm going to go in and from all students, deselect, and then I'm going to select my student demo, my first student demo, and I'm going to go ahead and select that student so that it changes from all students to just the students that I want in group 2. Once again, double check that everything is check marked down here, that they can respond to one another, and then hit ask. And then as you can see, it now pops up. I have group 1, how was your day? And group 2, how was your day? And they're both assigned to 1 student, and those students are different. So if you had a class of 25 kids and you split them into groups of 5, you would have to go through and select each one of those students. Now, that would also be something that you could do just with a regular assignment. So instead of discussion groups, if you wanted to do this for a normal assignment, you could do this as well and just do the group names. So let's say group 1 again, and then our assignment may be read chapter 1 and review. And I might put some more instructions down here. And then once again, in order to just select the group mates, I'm going to hit over here, unselect, select the students that are in group 1, change the grade points, and go from there. So it's kind of just personal preference at this point with which way you would like to assign group work to students and how to assign the discussion topics. I did talk in my website previously about how you could just create separate classes, and if that was the case, then you wouldn't have to assign it to the students. You would just create your question, and then you would have to copy and paste that question across each Google Classroom or Google group that you would have. So there's a few different options, and I hope this makes sense for everybody. Thank you for watching.